1/3 cup fresh thyme leaves. 3 tablespoons olive oil. 4 large garlic cloves, minced. 1/2 teaspoon kosher salt. 1/2 teaspoon red pepper flakes. 1 preheat oven to 450 degrees F, 230 degrees C. 2 combine sweet potatoes, thyme, olive oil, garlic, salt, and red pepper flakes in a bowl until evenly coated. Arrange coated sweet potato slices in a single layer on a round baking sheet or 9x 13-inch baking dish. 3. Place baking sheet on the top rack of preheated oven. Roast until sweet potatoes are tender and slightly browned, about 40 minutes.